Welcome to the ICDL International Standard Digital Skills Test. As a candidate, you must agree to the following rules to take an ICDL certification test. 1. Candidates must not communicate with anyone except the remote invigilator. 2. Candidates are not allowed to receive help from any unauthorized person. 3. Candidates are forbidden from cheating, copying answers, and glancing at others' answers. 4. Candidates can only talk to the remote invigilator for clarification of instructions or if there are technical problems. 5. Candidates may not leave the test room during the test. 6. No books, or any media, electronic or otherwise, can be used during the test. 7. The time may be checked at the bottom right corner of the computer screen. 8. If you break any of these rules, the test will be immediately terminated. Exam format. There are 4 different types of questions in the ICDL Digital Skills Test. 1. Multiple choice. 2. Drag and drop. 3. Simulation. And 4. Interface. 1. Multiple choice. Select the correct answer from multiple options. The question is presented at the top of the section. Choose the most fitting answer from a range of options provided and click on your selected answer for submission. After making your choice, click Answer. 2. Drag and drop. Organize elements by dragging them to designated places. Answer the question by dragging the elements from the left and placing them on the answer sheet. Once placed correctly, click Answer. 3. Simulation. Click on the correct area on the page based on the question. A green cursor will appear to indicate your selection. Once you are happy with your answer, click Answer. 4. Interface. Showcase your response within the software interface provided. The question is placed at the top of the page. Demonstrate the answer by interacting with the software. In this example, the software used is Excel. If your answer requires typing, remember to press Enter or click into another cell afterwards to ensure your answer is saved. If done incorrectly, an error box will appear. Close the page and click into another cell. Click Answer once you are done. Navigating Skills box. The Previous, Next, and Navigation buttons located at the top of the page allow you to move between different pages or sections of the test. The Previous button takes you to the previous page, the Next button takes you to the next page, and the Navigation button helps you directly jump to a specific section or question within the test. The Suspend Test button allows you to temporarily pause the test while keeping your progress intact. This option is only available in assessment tests. The End Test button concludes your test-taking session. Once you're done with all the questions and you're ready to submit your answers, click this button to finalize your test. Page indicators, located at the bottom of the page, show you the current page you are on. It helps you keep track of your progress and shows the amount of questions you have left. The Flag button allows you to flag or mark specific questions that you're unsure about or want to review later. It's a way to easily identify questions that require more attention. The Clear button helps you reset a question. If you're not satisfied with your initial response or want to start over, you can use this button to reset your answer for that particular question. The Answer button is used to submit your answer for the currently selected question. It's how you indicate that you've completed a question and are ready to move on. Please keep in mind that the availability of the buttons might vary depending on the test that you are taking. Viewing your test results. Upon accessing your test results, the Total Results section displays your overall score. Directly below that, you can view your results by category, which may offer insight into specific areas for improvement. If you are taking an assessment test, you can scroll down to see the questions you got wrong along with the correct answers. This can help you focus on areas you need to improve on so you are ready for the real test. Entering Skills box. Visit the website asia.skillsbox.com and enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, select the appropriate course. Find the Certify section and click on the link below it. A page will appear requesting the Invigilator key. The Invigilator key will be provided to you by the Invigilator overseeing the process. Once you have copied the key, click Invigilate. Wait until all the boxes show OK, indicating that the system is ready. Then, click Continue. When you get to the next page, you'll see important details about the test. This includes the number of questions comprising the test, the allotted time limit, whether you can change a submitted answer, whether or not suspension is permissible, and the specified cutoff score for the test you are currently undertaking. If your score exceeds 75%, a course completion badge will be automatically sent to your email inbox. Within 45 days you will be able to view your ICDL profile certificate, which will be sent to you via email. Good luck with your ICDL test. The next tech ready is you.